Hi, welcome to Bendiventures, and welcome to our upgraded deluxe room. Let's start here at the beginning. Closets, safe, iron, slippers, hangers, extra pillow, robes, ironing board. Over here, we have the bathroom. Yeah. Standing shower, tub, sink, vanity, and the separate double WC toilet room. And here I got the little, I guess, wet bar with the coffee maker, ice. There's the mini fridge. It comes with 2 refillable bottles of water. There's the bedroom. King size bed. There's the television and drawers for cleaning, working desk, couch, and then, wow, the view from the balcony. We're on the 9th floor. This is the top floor of this wing. I mean, this is a stunning view of the ocean and some sort of mountain island thing. You can see the pool. I mean, all of this is part of the resort, right? Looking back from the beach, all the rooms, so whatever this giant Boy Pond river system. So something that the bellhop just told us is that this room is equipped with 3 sensors in it, which I guess are motion detectors. There's something up there, and here, and up at the door. So after a while, once you've left and it doesn't detect motion anymore, it automatically shuts the power off in the AC. So yeah, this is our 9th floor deluxe upgraded room on the island of Maui. And oh, first impression, it looks really cool. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bendiventures.